Hello children, welcome to our social studies class. I am your social studies teacher. My name is Molly. I hope most of you might have seen me earlier. I'll be sending the videos as per our syllabus and also the notes plus the one word answers what is given at the back of your chapters. And you have to maintain a copy for writing the question answers and also the one word answers if you don't have the book. After completing the chapter, you have to send to me for correction. And we also will be having the class test after every chapter for 10 marks. Alright. And if you have any queries, any doubt, you can contact me during the school hours. Alright children, and you don't need to worry what social studies is. It is nothing but one part of your EVS. You all have studied from class 1, 2, 3 and EVS. Now you don't have EVS. Instead of EVS, we are going to have social studies. Some part is in social studies and some is gone to science. In social studies also we have history is there, civics is there and also geography is there. History means about the past things, Civics means about the present, the government and its rules and other things. And geography about the nature. So these are the three parts. So this year we have everything together in one book. Right. And today we are going to start our first chapter. The name of the chapter is History and its Sources. So I already told you history is the study of the past. So we will learn in details. What is history, children? History is the study of our past, a record of events that happened long ago. It tells us about the life of the people during a particular period of time. So what is history, children? History is the study of our past, a record of events. Events means the things that happened long ago. And also it tells us about the life of the people of that particular period. It is a written account of the development of human civilization. What is mean by civilization, children? A society, its culture and way of living during a particular period of time. Together we call it as civilization. So it is a written account of the development of human civilization. History helps us to understand the political and social systems, economic activities and culture of people, and the causes and effects of events in a sequence. So children, if we study history, it helps us to understand the political and the social system. Political means about the government, those days, and the social systems, what are the things they were following, and also economic activities, whether they were doing any money transaction or barter system, about that, and also what are the cultural activities they were having it. All this in a sequence we are able to understand. History not only looks at important events such as wars, revolutions, changes of governments and great inventions, but also explains why and how. It is the story of the progress of man from the beginning of civilization to the present time in a chronological order. Chronological order means, children, the events arranged according to its occurrence. Means what happened first will be arranged first, then the second, then the third. So this way of arranging is called a chronological way of arranging it. Alright. History or his story is indeed the story of man. Okay, children, then tell me, why do we study the past? There are many purposes for studying the past. Shall we discuss one after the other? The first one, we study the past to learn how our forefathers lived. So we want to know how those days the people were living. The second one, history is the link between the past and the present. Every new thing invented and every new idea has its origin in the past. So it is the link between the past and the present. The third one, history tells us about kings, queens, and about the life of ordinary people in those days. And the fourth one, we learn about the achievements of the great men, how they changed people's life and influenced not only them but future generation also. Next, it answers many questions about past events. So, it's all for today, children, and the rest we will see in our next class. I hope it is clear. Thank you.